In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear WhatsApp group chat or how to remove all messages at WhatsApp group chat at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp and then open up some group chat where you are an admin. Now here I got some messages and let's say I want to remove all of them at once. All I have to do is right here tap at group's name and then scroll down right here until I find clear chat. I can tap on clear chat, then tap on delete all messages, and now I can move on back to my group chat, and here, as you can see, all messages has just been removed. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.